So good morning students, welcome back to your English class today. Today I'll be doing the Rebel, revision of the Rebel by DJ Enright. I'll be giving you a kind of a mind map which will help you remember all the points. Yes, in the poem you have everybody and you have the rebel. Everybody on one side and the rebel on one side. So I have just tried to make a mind map for you to remember this in your mind. It will stay like a map in your mind. That is why it's called mind map. And please look at the video carefully. And I've also mentioned some homework in the video. Do that homework and submit to me. Okay, you submit your homework, let's say by tomorrow. Submit your homework tomorrow. Okay, so continue watching the video, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Okay, bye bye. So today we'll be doing the Rebel revision, and the Rebel is by DJ Enright. This is the poet. DJ Enright is the poet, and today's date is 25th 6/20. Now I have made a kind of a mind map for you and for you to understand and for you to remember this. If you remember the points, then you can do anything you want. Yes. So now here I made a mind map, and this is what everybody says, and this is what the rebel says. Everybody and rebel. So here the rebel likes short hair. Everybody likes short hair. The rebel will like long hair. Everybody talks during the lesson. The rebel doesn't say a word. Everybody wears uniform or dresses soberly. Then the rebel will wear fantastic clothes. If everybody loves dogs, then the rebel will prefer cats. We have done this in the poem. When everybody praises the sun and they like the sunlight, the rebel will say, "Oh no, I want some rain." Okay? And when everybody goes to a meeting, everybody is busy going to a meeting, this fellow, the rebel, he will want to stay at home and read a book at home. He will stay at home and read a book. When everybody says yes please, when you offer them something and you say yes please, the rebel will say, "Oh no, thank you, I don't want." Okay, he will say that, the rebel will say that. Now, and vice versa. And vice versa means the opposite. Vice versa means opposite. Now, when the rebel has long hair, when does the rebel have long hair? When others have short hair. And if others have long hair, the rebel will say, "Oh, I like short hair." When everybody when the rebel is talking, everybody else will be quiet. When the rebel is wearing fantastic clothes, everybody else will be wearing uniform. So it goes vice versa. Okay, when the rebel wants these things, others are wanting these things. When the rebel wants these things, the others are wanting these things. That is the meaning of vice versa. Okay? Now for homework, what you will do? Like this, I have prepared a mind map. For homework, you will prepare a mind map on the lesson, The Tiny Teacher, from your supplementary book. Prepare something like this. Let me see how you do it. You can do it any way. I have done it like this, given bubbles here, there. You can do it like a, like in a line, like a table, arrows going down. Any way you want, you can make a mind map for the tiny teacher. You can talk about the different kinds of ants. Yes, what do worker ants do? What does the queen ant do? Make a bubble like that and you draw that. Okay, what does the soldier ant do? What is the work of the, what are the different virtues we learn from ants? Make separate mind map for all from the tiny teacher. Submit to me today itself. Can you submit today? Submit today. After you finish your classes today, you can go and start, or rather this is the last class today, so immediately after this class, you can start making your mind map for the teacher. The tiny teacher. So I hope it is clear. Remember this mind map, keep this in your mind and you can remember it then. Okay, so bye bye, have a good day.